On top home panel annotation, activate the command leader. Specify leader arrowhead, and specify leader landing location and enter some text from the keyboard. Click on free field, click left mouse button on free field. Next step, from the drop down menu annotation, change the multi-leader style from the standard. Activate annotative. Next step, change the annotation scale on that and create another one multi-leader. Activate the command, specify some point, and we see our scale is changed because it's annotative style.